Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I am going to share with you all on how you can get rid of large or open pores in less than 5 days. For this, you only need an orange. Wash the orange with some tap water and simply take out the orange peel. Now squeeze and rub the orange peels together to get some orange peel juice. Gently rub the orange peel on your face in circular motion. Please make sure that you have cleansed your face before doing this. Concentrate on the areas where you have large pores. This will not only help to close your open or large pores, but will also help to get rid of scars, acne and acne marks by gently exfoliating your skin, making your skin brighter and glowy the next morning. The high amount of vitamin C in orange peel is very good for delaying wrinkles. It boosts collagen production, fights off free radicals that causes premature aging, and tightens up sagging skin. After massaging for around 3 to 5 minutes, take a warm washcloth and gently wipe off your face. So you can do this every night before going to bed and wake up with beautiful, pore-free, brighter and glowing skin. This is safe to use every day, even for sensitive skin types. Try this guys and you won't believe your eyes the next morning. You will really wake up with brighter and beautiful skin. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell button for the future video notifications. So thank you guys, love you, bye.